Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 8th May. And first of all, national news. Air India Express offered free ticket rescheduling for armed forces. Pakistan resorted to cross border shelling in Jammu and Kashmir's Kupwara. S. Jaishankar discussed zero tolerance for terrorism with the Germany, France. PM Modi to reschedule three-nation Europe visit as tensions with Pakistan soar. Delhi observed 15-minute power blackout and emergency preparedness drill. Top choice. Russia added 2,000 medical seats for Indian students. Iran's foreign minister to meet S. Jaishankar as India Pak tensions surge. Operation Sindoor befitting reply to those who challenge India, Amit Shah. And now, international news. The 9 terror targeted in Pakistan hit by India. Pakistan shut down airspace planned to hit back after India's precision strike. After India's Operation Sindoor, US issued travel advisory for Pakistan. India secured 3-year exemption from Social Security contribution in UK. And now some sports news. Rohit Sharma announced retirement from Test cricket. Royal Challengers Bengaluru on Wednesday picked Mayank Agarwal as a replacement for injured Devdutt Padikkal. The IPL match between Mumbai Indians and Punjab Kings to be held on Sunday in Dharmshala is said to be shifted to Mumbai. And that's all in news. Thank you.